This time I'm going to grade my forum by whole forum grading with setting activity completion. This is my forum in Moodle course. So let's see what we can find here. Type non-scale points, maximum grade, simple direct grading, marking guide, rubric, just simple, grade to pass, default setting for notify students, no. And then activity completion, show activity as complete when conditions are met, or students can manually mark the activity. Um, Grade not required. Here required grade is whole from, and then require discussions and students must post replies and then save and return to the course. Thank you.